Now, Andra, me who article be. Na me try say me di article nechi. Na me who asem ni mu no kre. Me ya me who video bia. Now, article no, it was from I think Daily Guide. Daily Guide, him say one of the top newspapers ewo Ghana. So they have a website. More a true article no ewo ho say will be nim aba bonten beka say sisiano say still Kennedy Japan aye na adwen say wo say wonu obi nim ni din ono obi nim no sheda ye say wo ba bonten aba apologize still Kennedy Japan and someone no kan sisiano wakwa akofa demon breaker ba say wonu obi nim ni din na the article ne kan say obi nim akantam say wonu sisiano wabema adane spiritual fight ose sisiano we hu ne say physically Kennedy Japan is winning and Kennedy Japan has won. Sisiano wobe kon spiritual into no wobe attack Kennedy Japan spiritually. He will win Kennedy Japan spiritually. That was what the article wrote. I've given you the source of the article. It was published by I think Daily Guide online portal, and then Ghana Web also published it yesterday. And now I'm a person made this story in a Bremo. But yen say Ghana has say eto de bina nkrofo etro stories ana. Normally, especially on Obinim, nkrofo to me trust stories later obeba be hu say eyentro. So I wanted to find the video if Obinim indeed said that, but I didn't find the video. Not knowing Kennedy Japan has also seen that article and read that article, and Kennedy Japan even believes say nekre someone Obinim akan. For now, we are just talking about the reputation of the website so you befa say even though we don't have any video evidence. Nti befa say nekre say Obinim ababonten abeka sansem no. So Kennedy Japan has replied Obinim. Dear Kennedy Japan catch Obinim ne say Obinim what one na can say spiritually obe attack me. And then let me just give you this. Today Kennedy Japan went on YFM and he spoke. Na was it one no what say will be name says here and will be in a spiritual fight. Now we're not Kennedy Japan and was it about spiritual? We're not Kennedy Japan. He doesn't belong to any occult. He doesn't belong to just say any secret society. Just say on belonging to on tundro oni mobia wa tundro onu de onima ne nyankopon. But he Kennedy Japan is stronger than Obinim when it comes to spiritual. Munchi assembly yasema Kennedy Japan kanono. Wase wono Kennedy Japan no, even though he doesn't belong to all these things, he is stronger than Obinim when it comes to a spiritual. Now, dentia wakasa and say wase wono tape bia waye ewo wiase mu no eno hunti se wo beye ne bone kra na ento no. Mind you, Kennedy Japan has come out to say no, he doesn't believe in Obinim. He doesn't believe say Obinim no our powers. Kennedy Japan no the waka no he doesn't believe say Obinim or powers. And so there is that notion. And then so wo be kaya me babonten ebeye video and as someone me can say hey, if there's one thing Kennedy Japan has exposed, then Kennedy Japan has actually exposed say Obinim no sabe nekre say woni powers. Obekaya me can say no because Obinim Ghana for what ya say won no de a past spiritual affair wo to me ba wo dayem ebe kan central otumi ba odayem betrel bibi asika wo otumi dane aboa na nyama nti mekra meka say nti obi a otumi konkrofo dayem ekoye we no bibi say si untumi ko Kennedy Japan dayem enko trend say onja ya na bibi. So I said even based on that, Kennedy Japan indirectly is exposing Obinim with san spiritualism say wo ye angel ne sansem no. But me nim say no hunting na will be in the member abonten because he would deal with Kennedy Japan spiritually or what. But I've tried to find an article, and then I can even read the article for you in order for you to know say indeed Obinim said something so or not. Into Washa Fox FM. Fox FM, I think it's a radio station in Kumasi. Now, one more the article be about Bonte was say Member of Parliament for Asin Central, Honorable Ken Japon, and the founder and leader of the International God's Way Church, Bishop Daniel Obinim, field seems to be taking another turn. Na Maria, Ken Japon response a womaye say no Obinim into me no because no ya papa into no Ken Japon be defeated Obinim spiritually no. Media no so be what Ken Japon said after that. But let me just read this article so you understand. We a Fox FM, a radio station, and I will more through this particular article. Now see, after weeks of bashing, slamming, and shaming by the honorable member of parliament, Bishop Obinim has announced that he is taking the battle to a different terrain. According to the angel, he would deal with Kennedy Japon spiritually. Honorable Kennedy Japon, for several weeks now, has been exposing Bishop Obinim and his wife, Florence, on what he calls evil acts by the two. Kennedy released a long list of almost 20 girls Obinim has slept with. He later accused Obinim of trying to kill one of the junior pastors and also revealed that Florence Obinim knew about all these but was mute. He also accused Florence Obinim of blah blah blah. But me pese muhu dance die say indeed there is a story like that no enu nti na me read the article na mamo nti eno aya from Fox FM a wo mo ka daily guide dia no so e wa ha say daily guide dia wo mo kan no eno so e wo ho. So that is what is coming through daily guide. So there wo mo etate ya no say I will personally deal with you spiritually. I mean read the quotation they are saying say Obinim at the Bible thing e be kan no. Well, see, I'll personally deal with you spiritually and you'll regret it. You mark it on the wall today. Into a somewhat daily guide, say, will be in Kasa or no. In a recorded video. One must say in a recorded video. For me, I don't know whether Obinim has deleted that video or not, but I have tried searching for that video. I have not found it. But daily guide for say, in a recorded video, Mamiri Dibium will say, Obinim said, I will personally deal with you spiritually and you will regret it. You mark it on the wall today. That is what say one Kennedy Japon, one ni be di e wo hunhun na Kennedy Japon be nu ne ho say what the assembly ba won no Obinim so. Na won no wo be hu won mark won fan sign baby. Na won no Kennedy Japon ni be hu. We a threat. I have told you on countless occasions say Ghana has say osofo ba bonte na wo be threat will be. Now what the spiritually eka hope police phone to me nyahwe. But way na ka yemfa say will be nim ba bonte be ka say hey Kennedy Japon I will deal with you, mark it on the wall. And no there na nka Kennedy Japon betumi akọ report ya ma police say na will be nim aka. But you see we what the spiritually aka ho. Ghana sa Ghana mra no me say yesesa mra na asofo to me e me kasa say o. See, yes, some brana asofo bian to me mekasa say I will deal with you spiritually because on him say wakasa na ne kre bibi to a ye bechi na tum. Etie asam hwe ye no asam wa ye beti na ha eka no. We research into it well o. Na ye dwen eko echi ansa na ye ba abonten mekasa. So that's the story. Let me go back to Kennedy Japon. Embra wakan say wonu they will be him into me no. Because for your papa and an ewiase we won. Me, I believe Ebiana, you not believe in that. But personally, I believe in that. Ewiase way, there are some forces that fight for you when you do some things. That's what personally I believe. It is a wobaha inkrofo bebre, wobaha inkrofo bebre. Say wo mo pe bibi wo wiase mo no mo kọ osofo bi wo ana osofo bi eyi tre bi tre omo a. Ade a osofo no eka enese koye adoye ko children's home na koye adoye so mo be kai a ebony ansa na wo bewu no saa time na award bi eba se ebony be wini award no now osofo ne ka tell say award na eba no sunsuma fam no ebony kun award ne ho de den but nkrofo bia yo mo adwo se wo mo fa award no emma no nti akwantra ebony wonye enese wonko eye ejanka orphanage home oseden na won koye eye donation no koye donation na wo benya MC award. I think it was about the award oseden something so, and Ebony did that and then she won the award. Oh yeah, and we need award no. And I've heard of a lot of people said the ABA bibi kra beto wo mo obon se so fo akatro mo se wo de akwantre ne se ko eye nkrofo a wo mu ni bi na komo mo. So I believe personally, I have this notion say onipa daseni a wo ye adoye wo ye nkrofo papa no, there are some forces that fight for that person. Enu hunti wo pese wo attack nipa na eye din. Nanka Kennedy Japan can be attacked spiritually and nanka enye nde o. Hwensem a we peja. Personally, I think in Japan cannot be attacked spiritually. But as someone our more can say will be him and the other two no. I am still searching for the said video. Na minya video na meba abonten aba bebo atremo. Montre mo adwen me da se.